you what year you have been live on. So do that. This 2000 and 2008. Do you want to recommend my real year? That's I gonna do in other video. Yeah, so we gonna currently Microsoft this in you can change file, and I'm gonna basically put it here. So you can do open your file, and then it's gonna be saved. But I don't want to save my file right now, and I can add security. I don't know how to add security, so yeah. But it's really easy. If you want to create a message or something, go to text and take a text, and then you probably know not how to edit it. Just here, you can say hi, Loki, you, yeah. And I want to put it here. I just want to edit the text, how high it is. Yeah, that is good enough. And then you quality. Do you actually want to edit this? Just click on animation. That is good enough. See, now try. I'll go in the home page. Yeah, and you can run animation. What do you want? So that will do it. Tell us your age. Luke, I'm just gonna answer with a thing, and then I want to go use those that you can go down with. And then I'm gonna go to menu. I just want to check all price. Yeah. And yeah. That is what food you want to. And yellow text. See? It's the thing is just popping up like it. Like you want to. And you want to sell stuff. Don't go on the website. You can actually go on apps, Wix apps, and squid on sell. Then the sell thing will come up, pop up. Add app, yeah. And now we're just waiting. Yeah, you can actually do this. You go to this ad, and what I told you, don't go on it. Put buy it now. Don't go on at least. Just go on this one. It's the same thing. So yeah, and then I will. Do you want to do something. So you can actually add a thing here. Yeah, and then we can actually t- save it. Do you want to know how to save it? Press this button up here. It will save. And then we go all the way back, press it down, and it's okay. And then I'm gonna go on the Wix editor for why I just want to show you this. When you have saved it and you want to edit again tomorrow or something, press here currently and press your website. See, all things of this. Press this button here if you want to publish it. You can try your site. And you can say use name, you each, I. Yeah, it's that you how you tag it and put it on. I don't want to put it today for it's just a just website. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope this can help you with the things. This is my first week's tutorial, so goodbye. I'm gonna see you all to the next episode. I I hope I'm gonna do more weeks updates so I can update you guys every time anything comes. Goodbye.